ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं मत्प्रें मदग्रमर्वयूं वसौं साक्षमर्वीं सहोः स्वरूपनिरूपणहेतुवे सुगुरवे श्रीअन्नपूर्णाम्बासहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुश्रीपादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं मत्प्रें मदक्षमर्वयूं वसौं साक्षमर्वयीं सहो स्वरूपनिरूपणहेतवे गुरवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बासहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुश्रीपादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं तरिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत् अगजाननपद्मार्गं गजाननमर्नितं अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तम् उपास्महे गणानां त्वा गणपतिं गवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमस्त्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पद आणस्मन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादरम् ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपते नमध्यायामि। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वधमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वधमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वधमानय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वधमानय स्वाहा। ह्रीङ्कारासनगर्भितानलसिकां सौः क्लीं कणां बिभ्रतीं सौवर्णां वरधारिणी वरदधातौ तां त्रिनेत्रोज्ज्वलां वन्दे पुस्तकमासमङ्कुशतरां त्वग्भूषितामुज्ज्वलां त्वां गौरीं त्रिपुरां परात्परकलां श्रीचक्रसञ्चारिणीम्। अस्य श्रीशुद्धशक्तिमाला महामन्त्रस्य उपस्थेन्द्रियाधिष्ठायै वरुणादित्यषि दैवी गायत्री छन्दसात्विककारभट्टारकपीठस्थितमहाकामीश्वराङ्कनलयां ललिता पराभट्टारिका देवतां बीजं क्लीं सिद्धिसौकीलकं मम खड्गसिद्ध्यर्थे सदभीष्टसिद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः। ऐं अङ्गुष्ठाभ्यां नमः क्लीं तर्जनीभ्यः नमः सौः मध्यमाभ्यः नमः सौः नामिकाभ्यः नमः क्लीं कनिष्ठिकाभ्यः नमः ऐं करतलकरपृष्ठाभ्यां नमः ऐं हृदया नमः क्लीं दुर्दे स्वाहा। सौः सिकायै सौः कवचाय हुं क्लीं नेत्रत्रयाय औषध ऐं वस्त्राय फट् भूः भुवः सुवः ॐ इति दिग्बन्धः। ध्यानं तादृशं खड्गमाप्नोति येन हस्तस्थितेन वै अष्टादशमाद्वीपा सम्राट् भोक्ता भविष्यति। आरक्ताभां त्रिनेत्रां मरणवसनां रत्नदाटङ्करम्यां हस्ताम्बोजे सपासाङ्कुशं मदनधनुसायिकैर्विस्फुरन्तीम् आपीनोत्तुङ्गवक्षोरुह कलत्रुटत्तारहारोज्ज्वलाङ्गीं ध्यायेदम्बोरुस्ताम् अरुणमवसराम् ईश्वरीम् ईश्वराणां लमित्यादिपञ्चपूजां कुर्यात् यथाशक्तिमूलमन्त्रं जपेत्। ऐं ह्रीं ह्रीं गैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सरह्रीं लं पृथिव्यात्मने सत्सङ्गं गन्धं कल्प्यानमः। ऐं ह्रीं ह्रीं कैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सरह्रीं हम् आकाशात्मने इन्द्रियनिग्रहं पुष्पं कल्प्यानमः। ऐं ह्रीं ह्रीं कैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सरह्रीं यं वायुव्यात्मने अरिषर्वगविततिरं धूपं कल्पयामः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सरह्रीं ब्रं तेजात्मने चित्कलादीपं कल्पयामः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कैलह्रीं हतकैलह्रीं सकलह्रीं वम् अमृतत्वाप्ने शिवशक्तिसामरस्यं नैवेद्यं कल्पयामः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कैलह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सरह्रीं सं कालात्मने मनोलयम् आनन्दकर्पूरनीराजनं कल्पयामः। ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं 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 Aim gleam zo gleam my gleam zo gleam my gleam zo gleam my gleam zo gleam my. I'm gleam zo gleam my gleam zo gleam my gleam zo gleam my gleam zo gleam my. I'm gleam zo gleam my gleam zo gleam my gleam zo gleam my. I'm gleam so gleam my. ॐ नमः त्रिपुरसुन्दरी हृदयदेवी शिरोदेवी शिखादेवी कवचदेवी नेत्रदेवी हस्तदेवी कामेश्वरी भगमालिनी नित्यग्लिन्ने भेरुण्डे वग्निवासरे महावज्रेश्वरी शिवदूती त्वरते कुलसुन्दरी नित्ये नीलपताके विजये सर्वमङ्गले ज्वालामालिनी चित्रे महानित्ये परमेश्वरी मित्रेशमयि षष्ठीशमयि उड्डीशमयि चर्यानाथमयि लोपामुद्रामयि अगस्त्यमयि कालतापरमयि धर्माचार्यमयि मुक्तकेसीश्वरमयि दीपकलानाथमयि विष्णुदेवमयि प्रभाकरदेवमयि तेजोदेवमयि मनोजदेवमयि कल्याणदेवमयि वासुदेवमयि रत्नदेवमयि श्रीरामानन्दमयि हणिमासिद्धे लगिमासिद्धे गरिमासिद्धे महिमासिद्धे सिद्धे वसिद्धे प्राकामसिद्धे मुक्तिसिद्धे इच्छासिद्धे प्राप्तिसिद्धे सर्वकामसिद्धे ब्राह्मी माहेश्वरी कौमारी वैष्णवी वाराही माहेन्द्री चामुण्डे महालक्ष्मी सर्वसंक्षोभणी सर्वविद्रामणी सर्वाघटनी सर्वशङ्करी सर्वोन्मादिनी सर्वमाङ्गसे सर्वकेजरी सर्वबीजे सर्वयोने सर्वदखण्डे त्रैलोक्यमोहनचक्रस्वामिनि प्रकटयोगिनी कामाघटनी बुद्ध्याघटनी अहङ्काराघटनी शब्दाघटनी स्पर्धाघटनी रूपाघटनी रथाघटनी गन्धाघटनी चित्ताघटनी धैर्याघटनी स्मृत्याघटनी नामाघटनी बीजाघटनी आत्माघटनी अमृताघटनी शरीराघटनी सर्वासा परिपूरकचक्रस्वामिनि गुप्तयोगिनी अनङ्गकुसुमे अनङ्गमेखिले अनङ्गमदने अनङ्गमदनाद्रे अनङ्गरेखे अनङ्गवेगिरि अनङ्गाङ्कुते अनङ्गमालिनि सर्वसंक्षोभणचक्रस्वामिनि गुप्तधरयोगिनी सर्वसंक्षोभिणी सर्वविद्रावणी सर्वाघटनी सर्वाह्लादिनी सर्वसम्मोहिनी सर्वस्थम्भिनी सर्वद्रुमिणी सर्ववशङ्करी सर्वरञ्जनी सर्वोन्मादिनी सर्वार्थसाधिके सर्वसम्पत्तिपूर्णी सर्वमन्त्रमयी सर्वद्वन्द्वक्षयङ्करी सर्वसौभाग्यदायकचक्रस्वामिनि सम्प्रदाययोगिनी सर्वसिद्धिप्रदे सर्वसम्पत्प्रदे सर्वप्रियङ्करी सर्वमङ्गलकारिणी सर्वकामप्रदे सर्वदुःखविमोचिनि सर्वमृत्युवृधवने सर्वविघ्ननिवारिणि सर्वाङ्गसुन्दरी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनि सर्वार्थसाधकचक्रस्वामिनि कुलोत्तीर्णयोगिनी सर्वज्ञे सर्वशक्ते सर्वैश्वर्यप्रदायिनी सर्वज्ञानमयी सर्वव्याधिविनाशिनी सर्वाधारस्वरूपे सर्वपापहरे सर्वानन्दमयी सर्वरक्षास्वरूपिणी सर्वेप्सितपरप्रदे सर्वरक्षाकरचक्रस्वामिनि गर्भयोगिनी कुलोत्तीर्णयोगिनी. That one which we left. Up to this, there's a different sadhana. Sarvasiddhi-prade, that's also fine. Now we are actually Sarupya, Salokya, Samipya, Sayujya. That's how you approach Mother. First, I need to adapt myself into her tattva, Sarupya. Why I am telling is, now we are in Samipya Sthiti. At this Avarana, we are very close to Mother. And that's when I understand the real nature of Mother. And this corresponds to Anahata Chakra, this particular Sarvajna Sarvashakti. So, to understand that, Remember, we started from Kameshwari, Bhagamalne, Nityaklinne, Verunde. Where are we now? We crossed all the oceans of illusion. We climbed all the mountains of hurdles in spirituality, not able to understand what she is doing. In one hand, she is giving, another hand, she says, it's not necessary for you. Then why did you give me? When you think that the samsara is not necessary for me, you are the only one. Then why did you give me samsara? And again, pull me out of the samsara. What is the game? I'm not able to understand. This is where we are now. This exact junction point. I told you, 1, 2, 3. That's one. Materialistic, probably. Now, Sarva, Sanjobani, Sarvidravani, Sarvakashni, Sarvahladani. Fourth. Fifth, Sarva Siddhi Prade. Now, Sarvajni. This is the actual transition between the one um, one line of life to another line of life. So, this is where actually the Kundalini awakening happens. Kulo Tirna Yogini. With due respect to all the people, let us not be carried away by the books and some of the internet things. It's good to have some encouragement, but then it should not be carried away by that. My Ajna Chakra is pulsating, whole body is shaking. Already my Manipura is open, Vishuddhri open. It should not be so open. Anybody can enter. We should close it. All the chakras are open. This is dangerous. Prana will go away. Actually, this is when Kulo Tirna Yogini, the serpent, makes a move. Until then, it is in a tamasic state. They say it's a 3.5 coil serpent bending like a 80-year-old girl, weeping. You know that small child? That sound is Brahmari sound. And waiting for the Upasaka, who will wake me up? Darshan is too busy with his parents. So he is not interested in waking me up. I'm talking about you, Darshan Gandhi. So who will wake me up with the mantra japam? He'll be waiting. At this point, after understanding all this thing, Kulo Tirna Yogini. My Guruji explained, underneath the waves, underneath the ocean, if you see the water, it'll be having a smooth, wavy structure. Kula is Mooladhara. The serpent power is not really a snake. Why it is called snake is because it coils around the body like coming from this and then going back and then coming from this. And then the tail is here, the tip is here. The mouth is here in the Mooladhara. And then it goes in the reverse direction. That's what they say. It's only to understand the movement. So once, because next one it comes, Sarvajne, Sarvasakte, Sarva Ishwarpradayini. What is the power of Kundalini? Once the movement comes, you know everything. That doesn't mean you know physics, chemistry, blah, blah, blah. No. You know what is necessary for you. That essence, you know. It's very powerful. You'll be powerful to face anything. Not that the one who has got Kundalini awakened will not have any problem. No. Not the one, he'll be in a different personality. They'll be unique. They'll be, I don't want to mention. They'll be a normal person. You don't know. They may be waiting for a bus, city bus in a bus stand. It need not be saffron robes and I don't want people. My Kundalini is awakened. I don't want rituals. I'm in a different plane. These vikaras won't be there. My Guruji, nobody. Actually, once they asked him, is Guruji there? Then he has to say, I am the Guruji. Oh, you're very simple. So, Kulottirna Yogini. Yogini, she is the one who is an expert in making the union. Yogini Devatas, Prakata Yogini, Gupta Yogini, Guptatara Yogini, Sampradaya Yogini, Kulotin Yogini, Negarbha Yogini, Rasa Yogini, Adiras Yogini, Paraparatiras Yogini. 9 yoginis are there. All the yoginis are experts in making the union possible. Union between you and thyself. Again, you and thyself is not that. Thyself. You is this, thyself is this. So, from the limited to the unlimited, the union happens. Then the barrier of limitation and unlimited will disappear. That's how the union happens, right? As long as this limited flow, this unlimited thing, this barrier is removed, everything is same. So, Kulotirna Yogini means after सर्व सिद्धि प्रदा सर्व संभप्रदा सर्व प्रियंकरी सर्व मंगलकारणी सर्व कामप्रदे सर्व दुखमोचनी सर्व मृत्युपस्वनी सर्व विघ्निवारणी सर्वांग सुंदरी सर्व सौभाग्यदायिनी सर्वाद साधिक स्वामी. Up to that, the higher level of desires are also fulfilled. Then the travel sarupya, now samipya, salokya, then samipya. They're close. Then there are two versions we can understand in this. I was thinking previously Sarvajna means it's connected to mother. But then when I was doing repeated recitations of Nigarbha Yogini, Kulotin Yogini, Nigarbha Yogini, Kulotin Yogini, there's something here. So that's when Sarvajne, she knows everything. Sarvajna is not jnanam. Sarvajna means it's completeness. Sarva, everything. Jna, knows. Knows the past and present and future. Knows about all the cosmos. Because she's the Tripura. She's the one who created. She's the mother. How can the mother not know about the child? She's the creator. How can the creator not know about the creation? Sarvajne. That is why in Lalita Sahasranam also, Sarvajna Sandra Karuna Samana Adhika Vajjita. Nothing to equal, nothing to beat. Supreme, unique. That's one. And when you are a child in mother's womb, Nigarbha Yogini is also the Yogini Devata who protected you in mother's womb. Then again, different meaning. Not in this mother's womb, when you are a baby. We are again, now also we are in mother's womb only. We think she is in Hyderabad, I am in Bangalore. No. This baby in that mother's womb is protected by the Nigarbha Yogini always. Right? We never come out of the womb. So, in that way and this way, she warned you in the Lalita Sahasranam in the beginning itself, don't underestimate me. You want to know about me? One word I'm telling. Sri Mata. I'm your mother. That's why chup raho. I need this, I need this, I need. Why do you ask? Why do you think Manikya Muktakara Janat Vairagda should remove the knee pain? Even though it is told like that by me. But the correct version at this point is, Amma, you know everything. What to do, when to do, how to do. So I don't need to think. You take care of me. So that is why the same expression is given in different places. Sri Mata is one expression which is equal to Sarvajna. Amatir Medha. Amatir. Amatir means before the thought. So all of us, what is pushing us in the life? Thoughts. The one who is before the thought knows why the thought has come and how it is going to end. So why do you worry? I know everything. Sarvajna. Tripura, Tripura, Trijagadvanya, Trimoti, Tiraseshwari. Tripura. That's why in Taras also, 3 Taras we say. Pita, Pitamaha, Prapitamaha. We told Putra, Potra, Ashtaishwaryas. So Tripura means, we know Bhuhu, Bhoha, Suvaha. Before that, Bhuta, Bhavishyat, Vartamana before. See, how can be Bhuta, something before the Bhutam? Because I created the time. Only at my will, the time has come. So Bhuta was not there before. I was before the time. It's beyond our mind. Before the time I was there. So, Tripura, Tri Jagad Vandya. That way, I am Sarvajna. Everything has come out of me. All the knowledge which you are seeking, trying to seek, whether it is the Samaha Vidya, or astrology, or Vastu, or Upangas, or Vedas, Tarka, Mimansa. Why do you go? I am the one who has created that. So if you just hold, that is why Sriti Simanta Sindhuri Kurtapadabja Dhulika. என்ன பிடியேண்டா ஏன் அலையிற அது வேணும் இது வேணும்ட்டு என்ன பிடிச்சுன்னா எல்லாமே தரேன் நான் தானே ஓனரு ஒன் ஸ்டாப் சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட் திஸ் ஒன் வை டு யூ கோ டு ஸ்மால் ஷாப்ஸ் everything is here I am the one who has gave the franchise to the people main office Sarvajna. At the end of the show everything goes there in me. So I am the beginning, I am the end. In the middle, you are confused. So, Sarvajna. And as I told you, it is connecting at Anahata Chakra to the mother. So, if you understand, when we are babies, our mother fed her milk, taking us in the arms. She knows when to feed you. Even when I was in a womb, she knows what is good for you, what is not good for you. She ate only those things that is good for you. So before you are born, like the physical mother knows what you want, knows what you are, universal mother doesn't know. Then why do you waste your life and energy and thought on demanding and choosing something? Leave everything. I know. Sarvajna. Sarvashakti. And also, the one you surrender, once you surrender, you will also become Sarvajna. There's another inner meaning. So because the Kulottinna Yogini has already joined the duty, then you become a Sarvajna. Overnight you become. Not that astrology, but whatever you say will happen. It is more than astrology. Not that you know Vastu. Even if it is a cul-de-sac, the moment you say everything is good, that's, everything comes instantaneously to you. Right before, I was keeping the knowledge in my mind. Remember, Sarvajna is a very big word. Before that, I was keeping my knowledge in my mind, right? You study physics, chemistry. You bits and pieces, you use it for a bhukti or mukti or ego or power, whatever it may be. This Sarvajna is not there here. You are not connected to the local database. You are connected to the central server which controls all the databases. Now you know. The base database server is there. You don't need to load yourself. It'll come and go through you. This is Sarvajna. Sarvashakti. Very Sarvajna is difficult also. See, Rama knows where to. When Rama asked Vasishta, he told, put the ashram in Panchavati. Rama smiles to himself. He knows, unless if he constructed the ashram in Vasishta's place, Ravana cannot come. And Vasishta also knows. He wants this story to extend. So they are all Sarvajnas. And Rama also knows. That's why, knowing fully well, he didn't scold. How can you tell? I know that Ravana is going to come and take my wife. Is it fair on your part? He doesn't scold. Being a Sarvajna, you should have Sarvashakti also. Face a lot of power to face the difficulty. Thank God I am not Sarvajna. We are not Sarvajna. Because when you know that you are going to die in a few days, very difficult. Or something going to come. You know everything, but you allow the nature to go in its own. That is Sarvajna. Nindukunda Tonakadu. That means he is full of knowledge, but still as if he doesn't know anything. Krishna opening the mouth and showing to Yashoda like that. So Sarva Shakti means because she is the power behind everything. Saundarlari, first sloka also, Brahma is creating because of you. Pancha Pretasanasina, Pancha Brahma Sarupini. Unless you are into them, of course it is described as she is sitting on a throne, Brahmamaya Ekapanchapadanama, Vishnumaya Ekapanchapadanama, Rudramaya Ekapanchapadanama, Ishwaramaya Ekapanchapadanama, Sadashiva Ekapanchapalakanama, Brahma Vishnu Rudra Ishwara Sadashiva. These all five are pretas until that mother comes and sits on the throne. Then they become Pancha Brahmas. Same thing here. All the five kosas are there, but the Prana Shakti is not there, they are Preta only. So you are the power behind everything. Sarva Shakti, power behind the movement of the earth, power behind the tsunamis. Whatever is happening, you are the power. But for lifting my hand, I need power. Of course, you say, boost is the secret of my energy. No. She is the secret of your energy and the boost also. She is the one who gives the energy to the boost. That is the Sarva Shakti. Shakti ke Shakti che Shakti, Parashakti. So, she is balancing that. Sarvajne, you know what is going to happen, but at the same time, you are also equipped with dealing with what is going to happen. Sarvajne and Sarva Shakti. Sarvaishwarya Pradayini. I have determined that I need to close this Khargamala by day after tomorrow. So that's why I'm just a little bit rushing through that. Don't scold me because I need to start Lalita Sahasranam. My mind is craving for that. So 99.99% I'll be starting Lalita Sahasranam on Saturday. Mostly I'm trying to get to that. That's why a little bit. Sarvaishwarya Pradayini. Aishwarya is not the Ashtaishwarya. Ashtaishwarya is I need to get the Aishwarya. What are the Ashtaishwaryas? Wealth, health, all these things. But Isha, Shabda nundu vachindi Aishwaryam. Isha means I'm the ruler. Sarvaishwarya Pradayini. You rule everything. Now, here the definition of Aishwarya is changed. In Sri Yantra, this is Khargamala describes Sri Yantra only. This is Antardasharam. Previous one, Sarvasiddhi Prada, is Bahirdasharam, outer 10 triangle. This is inner triangle. While the outer 10 triangles represent 5 Jnanendriyas, 5 Karmendriyas, that is why it is associated with Sarva Kama Prada, Sarva Dukha Mochani. This one is associated with 5 Tarmatras and 5 Panchabhutas. So nature. So when you say Aishwarya Pradayini, you are the control. You will have control of nature. Rain, rain, come away, go away. Some little Tommy wants to play, and that happens in reality. That becomes a mantra for you. You want rain, it'll come. You don't want rain, it'll go. Because your level of power or ownership, Sarva Vashinkari ownership, has increased because you are very close to mother, naturally. So Aishwarya Pradayini means the Ishitva Siddhi, the power even over Panchabhutas also will be there. Because she is the one who created the Panchabhutas, and the one who worships her in this avarana will also be given that power. There was, that's why, however fast I want to go, the moment I said I will finish off tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, she gives me one more. Tell, சொல்லுடா அந்த ஸ்டோரி பற்றி சொல்லு, என்னை பற்றி சொல்லாம ஏன் இருக்க, அதுவும் சொல்ல. Tell me about that, tell them about that also, my power. This particular Sarva Aishwarya Pradayini, there used to be 800 years back, there used to be a Brahmin in Amalapuram, Andhra Pradesh. He is also a Srividya Upasaka, like all of you. And he, not a Upasaka in the Bahya. Everything he does only looks like Bahya, but it's Antarmukha. So he's at this level, but everybody naturally jealous of them. The jealousy also created by the lady to prove the greatness of this fellow. Everything is around him. So they tell the king in that area, this fellow is actually doing tantric Vamachara puja to ruin your family. So you have to drive him away. Naturally, this fellow Raja sends some spies. They don't understand all the mantra. This fellow, normally we also when say Aim, Reem, Dream. Unfortunately, in the picture, only the villain will recite those mantra. Right? All the homas they'll do. So that's how they are projecting. So they think we are also doing some Vamachara. So they say confirm that that fellow reciting some other mantra. So king sends him away. And one day is a solar eclipse, Surya Grahana. And at that time, it has to come out of the eclipse, suppose 4:33. The sun has not come. 6 o'clock, sun has not come. Next day, sun has not risen. What? This much calculation mistake should not be there. So the king was worried. If the same continues, the whole kingdom will perish because no sun for 30 days. Dr. Pavanil knows. Bacteria, virus will come, right? We are somewhat protected because we are in a hot place now. So the king asked people, then one old person says, Raja, you have driven away the priest. Maybe he can help you. The Raja himself goes and finds this Brahmin doing the Navavaranarchana. We do in our Peetam. Samanyargya Mandalam, Visheshargya Mandalam. And then on that, Surya Mandalam Avahayami. There's a mantra. Kambham Tapinye Namaha, Kambham Tapinye. The 12 kalas we invoke. And this Brahmin went into inward and he was putting his toe on the mandalam. I'm sitting like this. Lost into that. He's not removing the toe from the Surya Mandalam. That's why Surya could not come. Can you believe that? The king prostrated before him. Yeah, we didn't know your power. Then he said, I'm sorry, I was lost in my puja. Then he removed, then the sun came. It's beyond physics, beyond science. But this is a fact. I know in Facebook, so many comments will come. That's fraud, bogus story. Let them, right? At least, even if it is bogus, that's fine. We are enjoying a bogus film and we are getting nothing. Instead, even if it is bogus, believe it and you know the power of mother one day and it becomes real. Yes or no? And it's not changing my life into a superstitious life, or I'm increasing my belief in my mother and keeping my life most valuable. Okay? So, Sarva Shakti, Sarvaishwara Pradani, you have control on the elements also. First, of course, Indriyas. Now, elements, natural elements. Of course, naturally, you can Dura Sarvanam, Dura Darshanam, all this will come. You can be here and listen to celestial figures talking. I told you long time back in the same Khargamara. So then come Sarvajne, Sarvate, Sarvaisha Pradhani, Sarvajnanamayi. And coming back to mother, when she's feeding us, she's transferring the knowledge, knowledge about culture, knowledge about tradition. And I'm getting a little bit grown up, like 1 year, 2 years. She teaches me what is to be done, what is color, what is letter, what is our language. Jnanam. She's the one who has given to me. That's why I say the one who goes against their parents, even God cannot save them. Parent, most particularly mother, particularly, up to the marriage only. After marriage, the wife becomes mother. The Veda has protected the female in such a way that they know all this female weakness and everything. Sarvajnanamayi. She is the one who has given me all the jnana. That's why when I worship her, I need to touch her lips. I need to touch her throat when if it's an icon. Even if it is Suvasini Puja also, we invoke her in the Suvasini and we need to touch these two places. We'll come Vachini, Kame, Sri, Modini, Vivale. These are Jnana Surupas. So through that we connect to the entire cosmos. And slowly, it's not like overnight it will come. First of all, what jnanam I need to have? Number one, who am I? What for I have come? What do I need? These three are highest jnanam. Who am I? What for I have come? And what do I need? Keep on questioning yourself. At this point, you'll get the answer. Right? Sarvajnanamayi. Also, if you see the gurus, the upasakas, multifaceted personality. My guru, I told you, he constructed dome structure, he's a singer, dancer, everything. So, sarvajnana, you know everything, but you appear as if you know nothing. And that kind of knowledge is not measurable. So, if I know only a portion, a subject, that's all. But if I know everything, I cannot describe what knowledge I have got. And that's Sarvajnana. Sarvajna is different, Sarvajnanamayi is different. Sarvajnanamayi is anything about her creation, cosmos, this physical knowledge about the matter, the time. But Sarvajna, all bundled together. Why this creation has happened? What is going to happen? Because you are the creator, you know the end of the story. That is Sarvajna at a higher level. Sarvajnanami, all the different aspects of the life he knows with the Kundalini movement. That's why you need to measure how do you know that The Kundalini awaken has happened. Where you stand at the Manipura or Arahata, many people will ask their gurus, right? Where am I? Suppose, don't ask that question ever. Suppose the guru says you are below the Mooladhara, you cannot bear it. So better to keep quiet, right? But how do you measure how I take up the life? My reactive power, my self-centeredness, my power hunger, my ego, my unconditional love. These are the graphs you need to maintain. I may not be having Kundalini Yoga knowledge, but this one I can measure. And over a period of time, a measurable achievement you can do. Who knows whether this is there or not? That's a different case. So, Sarvajne, Sarvajna, Sarva Aishwarya Pradhani, Sarva Jnanamayi. Sarva Vyadhi Vinasini. Again, coming back to physical mother, you know very well, if mother feeds you, that mother's milk has got a lot of, what do you call that, Pavanil? Dr. Pavanil, mother milk has got what do you call immunity. It protects you, it gives you immunity from many diseases. It nourishes you. Nothing can beat. Sarva Vyadhi Vinasini, Sarva Jnanamayi, Sarva Vyadhi Vinasini. And up to 5 years, mother takes control, complete control of you. And during the proper process, immunoglobulins, wow. Immunoglobulins. See, even that word itself, I don't know. Good. Anyways, that big one she'll give. And Sarva Vyadhi Vinasini means how the Vyadhi is not, fever. That is a different thing. Mother's milk has got some capacity to that also. But your attitude, your behavior also has some vasanas from previous birth. And mother takes some of the karmas and stops you from getting the effect of the previous birth effect. Vyadhi is coming from previous birth also, if you believe in the previous birth. And if Vyadhi is that quality, let us define Vyadhi. Vyadhi, disease, is that quality which obstruct you from being human. That's all. Simple. Any quality that obstruct you from being human and enjoying this life is all, of course, other Vyadhis are there, but more, I think, anger, lust, greed, these are not visible, but they are more contagious than corona. We should protect. We should protect us from those kind of vyadhis. These are all, that's why Adhyatmika, Adi Bhautika, Adi Daivika Tapatra Nivaranam. Different vyadhis are there. Whatever deficiencies we have, she will protect us from that. Sarva Vyadhi Vinasini. Sarva Vyadhi Vinasini. Sarva Papa Hare. Sarva Jnanamayi. Sarva Vyadhi Vinasini. Sarvadhara Sarupe. Adharam. Again, coming back to physical mother. Mother's milk is adharam for me. So, even though we are grown up in size, we should never forget there is one thing necessary for our support. Jagadodharaka, Sarvadhara, the one which supports everything with Prana Shakti, with Jada Shakti, with Srishti Sthiti Laya. If the Laya is not there, there is no death. We cannot be sitting like this. In death also, she is protecting us. Different ways, Adharam. So I need to go deeper into that. Prana Shakti Paradevata, Hram Bijam, Hrim Shakti, Hrum Kelakam. Prana Shakti Paradevata. For human being, Prana Shakti. That's how she supports us. Then for plants, she becomes, for human being, she becomes air. For plants, she becomes the earth first. Right? For cosmos, she becomes gravity and interplanet attraction, attractive force, magnetic force, electromagnetic force, different ways. She's becoming an Adharam support system for the entire cosmos. But Niradhara, Sarvadhara, but she is Niradhara. She doesn't need any support. She doesn't need your coconut, banana, or flowers you offer. In fact, she is the one who is putting that banana in your hand. And you are thinking, I'm offering this. She is the one who is putting that money to be put in the hundi. Don't ever think that I am offering the money. Sarva Adhara Swarupe. That is why, before getting, and by the way, how many people are doing this Sandhya Vandanam, which I told? Everybody lifted their hand that day. Good. I'm happy. Even if two people, 1% does, that's fine. Over a period of, the value of it. So, the moment you get up from the bed, well, you put down this thing. This is the first time you see mother not in icons, in the nature. So just touch the earth and then pray to yourselves. Bhumoskritapadaram bhumiriyavarambanam tvajataparadhanam tvame saranasve. Forgive me, Mother Earth. For a moment, I am coming to duality. Forgive me, Mother Earth. I am putting my foot on you and kicking you. This I can't avoid because I need to get down from the bed. So I'm seeing Mother. Before going to puja room, I'm seeing Mother. Are you doing that, Pavanil? Before get down, just think. You don't need to touch also. I'm sorry. I'm kicking you with my foot, which is a Tvai jataparadhanam tvameva saranasve tasmat karunya bhavena raksha raksha maheshwari. So why I am telling is Sarva Adhara Surupe. Don't think that my power, my education, my money is Adharam for me. What happened 3 days back in Bangalore? Earth gave way, right? There's a big crack in the earth, bhukampa, earthquake like thing. And all the cars went inside. You are thinking that this car is my Adharam, that car itself went into the earth, saying that for everything I am the support. Without me, nothing can. Right? She's supporting us, Sarvadhara Turupe, because she's supporting us with the sun, moon, stars, air, water, fire, natural, everything she has given as a support for us. So, for everything, she is the support. Sarvadhara Surupe, Sarva Papa Hare. As I told you, for the first 5 years, for all of us also, as per the Vedic norm, if your child commits any bad karma, mistake, you will take the responsibility. Agreed? That is how this is designed. That only up to 5 years you are the parent. After that, that child become independent and you become a friend to your child. You no longer get connected by the karmic effect. So until then, you are having, I know, when you are married, when your first child comes, you're all enjoying. But don't forget that you have a bound and responsibility to make that child a correct, beautiful citizen with responsibility, knowing about culture, your culture, tradition. And otherwise, that 5 years, that's why Sarva Papa Hare. But at this point, Universal Mother, she removes the bad thoughts from you. See, previously, all other people just dumping. They are atoms of dust. The jivas, without any upasana, without any support, without any thinking about the universal support, they just get carried away. They don't know which womb. They don't have a choice to select the womb. This actually Upasaka's level says when you go to a level, you can choose when to come back or not to come back. Or you can choose, I'm going to be born as the next child to Sharadamba. Will announce. And I'll be a child to her, for her. Sarvajna. That's how it comes. Sarva Papa Hare. So, up to this point, you need to be very careful to bring up the jail. At this other level, she removes all the bad thoughts. At the Upasaka, for the Upasaka, she gives only those thoughts which are useful for his or her progress to move further towards her. Sarva Papa Hare, Sarvanandamayi. Everything gives joy to him. Death. Joy in the sense they don't dance like celebration. The life itself is a celebration for him, for that Upasaka. Then there is no special rasa called joy. Always in the rasa, joy. Then see, because I'm not always in the joyful state, when the joy comes, I identify, wow, I'm joyful. Are you saying, wow, I'm breathing? No. When we suppose we are on ventilator and the ventilator is removed, then we say, wow, I'm breathing by myself. This become natural for me. In the same way, Karanananda Vigrahe, she is the definition of Anandam. When we are going close to her, when we understand and the tattva is completely in us, we are also in the stage. Sarva Anandamai. That is one meaning. And also she is the one who causes joy to many people. Many times you are joyful. Don't think that joy has come from your action. The joy is the bliss. We have some problem. If joy comes, well, I fared very well. I talked very well. That's why I'm very happy that my talk was received by the people. My talk. I talked. Suppose nobody comes for my speech. Bad luck. I know. Jagdish came before me when I was starting from my house. I don't know. Whenever that fellow comes, I have some problem. You throw that blame on Jagadish and through Jagadish to Jagadamba. This is our weakness. But either ways, the Jagadish as well as this audience who gave the joy and pain are only Jagadamba. That's why Sarva Anandamaya, Sarva Papare, Sarva Anandamaya. So, she's the one who gives joy to everything. You can ask me, a person who is in a villa, 2 crore villa can be joyous. But how can a rickshawala in a hut who is just drinking can be joyful, relaxing and singing some film song? Who is the one who is giving joy? She. She is the one who gives the joy to the lone bird in a forest to the multimillionaire. Everybody is joyful because of her. Sarvanandamayi. Sarva Raksha Surupini. Sarva Raksha Surupini. Let us not ask, please protect me. Raksha karo, daya karo, krupa karo. That's fine. But while singing that bhajan, you also think it's already been done. You are being protected. That's why we are all living now. The protection is not what we think. The protection is giving one more nanosecond for us to live. That itself is protection. Protection comes in the form of life. Then protection comes from 8 direction, Ashtadikpalakas, actually 10 direction, Dasha Disha. Dasha Shanti, they say in the Maharudram. From 10 directions, she is protecting so that the jiva continues his or her path in the upasana. Sarva Raksha Surupani, she protects the tiger by producing a deer. She protects the deer by producing the grass. She protects the grass by being the earth. She protects the earth by being water from the sky. She protects the sky by being a Tatilata, lightning. Everything one by one balances. And Sarvaraksha Surupani. Here, we need to understand whom we thought bad people, dacoited, everybody, they are also protected by the same person. Then can you question her? Can you find the IPC 307 against her? No. Everything. That's why Vedanta is very difficult to accept and understand also. So she is the one who protects everything in the limited, how much it has to be protected. She is protecting. Sarva Raksha Surupani. If you feel that you are not protected, that's wrong. That's why I always say, thank God for everything. Thank God. While going to temple, if you skid and fall on the road, thank God a great accident might have been avoided by her. If you break your leg, thank God my back is not broken. I'm still I can walk. If your back is broken, wow, I'm enjoying my rest. That's all you have to say. At least to some 3-4 months, I'll enjoy my rest. And if you are in coma, well, anyways, you are not there to feel that you are protected or not. Everything is protection. Sarva Raksha Surupani is a very great knowledge. Sarvajna, Sarva Raksha Surupani are connected. The great knowledge is understanding that everything that is happening in my life is only protection, nothing else. And Sarva Ipsita Pradha. This is she makes us Bhasmasura sometimes. This is the actual truth. Bhasmasura, he put his own hand on his head and he got burned, right? Because he asked, Mother, whomever I put my hand on his head, let them be burned. That's the wrong thought. So by having a wrong thought, by wrong way of lifestyle, and not getting connected to the cosmos, which is a controlling factor for everything, taking the unnecessary, ambiguous ownership of everything, I'm creating my own thoughts, and she will fulfill every thought which is coming to you. We're going to discuss about this tomorrow. Sri Matra.